are not supposed to be on the couch, but I'll let it go. I'll let it go. I'll let it go. You're a big doggy. You're a big doggy. Yeah, you are. Cute. You're so cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. Sit. Sit. You're so cute. You keep on getting closer. Paris, come here. Come here, Paris. You got a ball? You got a ball? Oh, can I see the ball? Paris, come here. Oh, Chelsea. Okay, I'll take Chelsea too. I'll take Chelsea too. Hi, girl. How are you? How are you, puppy? Hi. Come on, Paris. Paris is saying, oh, no, don't fall, buddy. No, I know. I said you, but not you, okay? So cute. Teeth. Gatito. Gatito. Paris, come here. Give the ball. Give the ball. Give the ball. Ah, give the ball. You want to hit something and eating yourself? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, like a cute doggy. Paris. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, good girl. Got the ball? Name the ball? Good girl. Ready, set, go. Calm. Why are you crying? Oh, I got you. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. You gonna say hi to the camera? No. Come on. Come on. Paris. Paris. Oh, Paris is left. Oh, you get some loving. Go get some loving too. Say hi to the camera. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hanging out with not my dogs, but my aunt's dogs. My dog's at my house. Paris, come here. Come, Paris. I see you. I see you. Paris. Oh, she's on the plane. Come, Paris. Come on, Paris. Come on. See, she's coming. I know. Go. Come, Paris. Got the ball. Can you give me the ball? Okay, oh, you're right in front of the camera. Thank you. Thank you very much. Can I have the ball, please? Chelsea, calm down. Paris. Go get it. I don't know where it's at. So, calm. Stay calm. I know. Paris, come here. Paris! Paris? Come here, girl. Oh, that is iRobot. I know, I almost scared you. Come here. Oh. It's coming towards you that way. Paris, sit. Sit. Good girl. Now, ball. Oh, my finger's in the way. Ball. Give me the ball. Paris. Go get it. What's the matter? You'll get the loving for me too. No. Paris. Paris. Oh, I don't know. Smell like her now. Paris, come here. Yeah, see that background right there? Right? Yeah, right there. See that? That TV is that right there.